Hello everyone, this is Aminesh Miani from Livix Pure Water LLP. This is a review of a GrowTech machinery that we have recently purchased from AIM Technologies. We have a 5 cavity blowing machine installed with the 120 bottle per minute filling line and the shrink wrapping machine and the labeling machine. So I have found this machine really well, and we have taken the exact amount of bottles that they have promised when we have purchased the machine, that is 7,500 bottles per hour. The machine quality is really well, and it is also consuming less power compared to other machines that is available in the market. And I would specially recommend to buy this machine. This machine does its job very well, and compared to other machines in the market, you will feel this machine is very cheap and quality is really well. So if you compare, there are other machines in the market are of 5 cavity or 6 cavity or 4 cavity. But as of 5 cavity and 120 bottles per minute of line, that is provided ample amount of bottles that machine consumes every minute. So I found this machine to be very specific and very good quality of production from the bottles, and also energy consumption is very less. I would specially recommend to buy this machine. Yes, every machine has a certain problems in the initial phases when we install it, but after a commissioning and settle down when the production starts, uh, you will feel that machine is very good, and it is also of a good quality. Thank you very much. Thank you GrowTech, and thank you M Technologies, especially Ravi Bhai. Thank you for suggesting me this. Thank you.